Hello, I'm Katie, Product Marketing Associate at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series IEFB Insertion Thermal Energy Meter. Dwyer's high-performance and versatile IEFB can be utilized to accurately measure fluid velocity, as well as heating and cooling energy consumption to maximize energy efficiency evaluation in applications such as commercial tenant energy monitoring, municipal water distribution, pump protection, and more. This thermal energy meter is designed to offer superior performance, paired with simple installation and use. It's adjustable to fit pipe sizes from 4 to 10 inches and has a hot tap valve option, which allows for installation in operating systems. The IEFB offers several output options in addition to the standard analog, frequency, and alarm outputs, including selectable BACnet and Modbus communications protocol. The IEFB combines Dwyer's Insertion electromagnetic flow transmitter, Series IEF, with an EN 1434 compliant temperature meter and calculator, all in one unit. When combined with the optional integrated LCD display, the IEFB becomes a single unit installed in the field instead of two, thus reducing installation costs. Whether used with the integrated, remote, or portable setup LCD display, the intuitive setup wizard allows a technician to easily field configure the system by following the step-by-step instructions on the display. The optional installation kit includes a measuring tape, universal power adapter, and Dwyer ultrasonic thickness gauge, which further aids in the simplicity of installation. By providing a few key parameters, the IEFB can also be optionally pre-configured by the factory to specifically match the requirements of the installation site, further reducing installation time. Thanks for watching.